Indians, my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and I have very habitats. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone. Life my happiness. Thank you, sir.